Alright, hello LWX. Literally right when I hit live.
This is a test of the all-hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather, expect weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service. Severe weather. The test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfectly order. Though you are using a good quality receiver in perfectly order, to provide the most complete warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected waters affecting the listening area.
Alright, thank you LWX.
There still is a chance for showers and thunderstorms across the Laurel Highlands on Thursday, while less humid and slightly cooler air takes hold for Thursday through the first part of the upcoming
Alright, let's go
weekend.
CTP.
High temperatures today
Last
and
RWT
Thursday
I'm
will
gonna
range
catch.
from the upper 70s across the northwest Alleghenies to the mid-80s and upper 80s in the lower Susquehanna.
Thank you.
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next partly to mostly sunny and dry conditions will be. This was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Partly to mostly sunny and dry conditions will